Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining in. So many of you have actually reached out to me and asked, how is your complexion and your skin so clear? Today I just want to talk about some of the things that I do on a daily basis, and if you end up liking this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is, of course, shave. So I'm gonna need to get rid of all my facial hair, and in order to do that, I use the Barbasol Smooth Aloe, and I also just use the regular disposable blades because I like to use a brand new razor every single time I shave. After I get done shaving, I actually want to get in the shower and really get some warm water come down my face to really open up those pores. Okay guys, so directly after the shower, your pores are nice and open. So here is my secret. I use Lush. Now, if you guys never heard of Lush before, it's an amazing facial scrub that you can use. You can go on their website, you can order their products if you don't have a location near you. But I use Angels on bare skin, and I've been using it for about 8 years. And I love this. I use it every single day as soon as I get out of the shower. So if you guys never tried this before, I definitely would recommend for you guys to use it. I swear by it. It's amazing, and I just want to kind of go over some of the things that are inside. Ground almonds, lavender oil, rose oil, chamomile oil. Another reason why I really love Lush is because they recycle all of their containers that they actually put their products inside, and they do no animal testing on their products, so that's a wonderful incentive to really support them. While you're massaging this facial cleanser into your skin, it's really hydrating your skin and really giving your skin all the oils that it needs to look fresh and young and vibrant. You can see here where they are against animal testing. And how you just take a small amount in your hand, you add a little water and mix it into like a paste and massage it into your skin gently and then rinse. And you can use this on your body too, but I only use it on my face. It has all those oils and those ground up almonds. So you're just gonna get maybe like a dime to a quarter size. And you can see the mixture that it's in there, and you're just gonna really get it into a nice paste. Once you got your pasty consistency, you're just gonna start really just massaging it into your face like this. It could get a little messy, but it smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell it right now. You really just want to massage those oils all into your skin, on your forehead as well. Like I said, you can use this all over your body, but I just tend to use it only on my face. I usually do this for about 3 minutes. Really cleanses your face, get all that moisturization inside. Now we're just gonna rinse it off our face. Really start wiping it off. So after I've gotten all the Angels and bare skin rinsed off my face, I actually use a mask 2 to 3 times a week, and it's called Don't Look at Me, and this you need to keep refrigerated. So you can see here, it's a fresh face mask. It has cleansing lemon juice, which leaves your complexion super amazing. You can see all the ingredients in here as well. They're actually here on the back. It's got lemon juice, it's vegan. Of course, all this is recycled as well. So like I said, only use this one maybe twice, maybe 3 times a week, and you do keep it refrigerated. But I'll let you see what it looks like inside. It's a nice mask to put on your face, and when you do put this on your face, you're gonna leave it on for about 20 minutes. You really wanna massage all of this in as well and just get all the areas of your face. You can really feel that cooling sensation. That lemon juice is really good for your skin. All those natural oils in this as well. And as you're rubbing it on, you can feel that it's starting to dry. You just want to keep making sure that you get all areas around your face. And it smells really good too. In Lush, they do have several different masks that you can get. So there's another one called Rosy Cheeks that I really like. So usually I'll alternate between this one, which is Don't Look at Me, and then Rosy Cheeks. And if you ever want to order some of these, I'll post the link in the description bar on this video. But it's just lush.com, lush.com. You'll see all their products there. You can order, they do deliver. You can get down in and around your neck as well. And then once you've gotten all the mask fully on your face, you just time it for 20 minutes and then we'll rinse it off. Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes and this stuff is completely hard on my face, so I'm ready to wash it off. So let's go. Well guys, I don't know about you, but my face feels amazing. It's so fresh, it feels so smooth. I cannot wait for you guys to try these Lush products. But now that I've gotten all that mask completely cleaned off my face, I'm gonna moisturize. So I love to use this Everyman Jack. It's facial lotion, it's for post-shave. It's signature mint, and you get that really cool, refreshing feel after you put it on. I usually just get like a dime size and just start taking the tips of my fingers and just really massaging all that lotion into your face. It really helps your skin, keeping it fresh all day, especially during the winter. It really helps with dryness, helps you look youthful and younger. I just love this lotion. Now you guys can use any lotion you'd like, but this is my preference on my daily routine. I'm just gonna let it soak in for a few minutes. I can already start feeling that cooling sensation. While I'm letting the lotion dry, I am going to go ahead and add my eye cream. So this is from a company called Brickle. It is Restoring Eye Cream with Aloe. So I really like to use that underneath my eye, and you can use it during the night or you can use it daily, just for daily outdoor daytime use. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. And you can just see that it's just like a white cream. It's really nice just to put up underneath your eye to really keep that moisturization underneath your eye. It helps prevention with wrinkles. And this is the last and the final thing that I do on my daily facial regimen and routine. I'll give you guys just a little bit of a closer look of how it all turned out here. You can see how nice and clear and clean, soft the face is here. Well guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video on my daily skincare routine. And if you did, please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what your all's facial daily routines are. And again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys back next time. Take care.